Well, hey there, crafty friend. Suzanne here in the studio today with a follow-up to my last counterfeit kit for August. If you've watched that video, then you know I had all of these embellishments left. I pretty much used all the paper, but I had all of these embellishments left. So I thought, okay, I'm going to carry these forward and see if I can use them because I didn't really want to put it all back away so soon. And there is a lot here. So what I did is I went to my 100 pattern paper pile and I pulled everything that I thought would work. So I'm going to show you those papers now. Here's this one, and here's the reverse. So this has a lot of that pale orange or coral and yellow in it. And then we have this Echo Park. Has some of those same colors. And then some Lawn Fawn. Reverse of that. And then we have this crepe paper that I'm only going to use the reverse side of probably because that's the front. That doesn't really go with this at all, so just that then. And then we've got some of this Pool Party and this pretty paper. And then we've got this wood grain and some baby paper on the back. So I can use a lot of those embellishments I had already pulled, but when I kind of look at this, I notice I've got quite a bit of teal, both in a pale aqua and a deeper turquoise colors, as well as some pure pink, which I didn't really have pulled. So I thought, okay, I'm not going to pull a whole lot more, but I did go to my pink and my teal color boxes, and I just pulled this much. I thought that's plenty to add to what I already had. So I'm going to start working with this, and that should be a lot of fun. Stay tuned. I will be back in a bit with what I did with this kit. And I'm back with 4 double layouts. Here we go. This first one is kind of got a sort of a trellis pattern here, where I've got vertical and horizontal overlapping elements, and then I added to those by using some washi tape. Just once I laid it out, it felt like it needed to be a little more grounded, so that's what the washi tape helped to do. I gotta say, the thing I love about counterfeit kits is using up all my just general stash of embellishments. It's very satisfying to make miscellaneous embellishments work together. It's a little more satisfying than just using the packs that come with collection packs. Although that's fun too, but this is just a little more satisfying. I also like it when I pull out underused supplies like the washi tape and then these pocket cards. So there's that one. Very bright and colorful. Next one I did, I got my inspiration from this 8.5 by 11 inch double page maps from Becky Fleck. This was from the original book. I decided to go ahead and get rid of the books since I'm trying to clear some of the clutter out of my space since I had kept the decks. I didn't really need all the writing and the stories and all of that in the books once you have the decks to keep for reference. So here's how this turned out. This allowed me to pull out one of my border punches, which was very fun. And then I used Smile for my title here, since my main chipboard were these 3 pieces that were all camera related. And then I also did a set of 3 flare. So I think this just turned out super cute. It's a very restful look because there's so much white space. So I love how this one turned out. This next one was based on a Scrapbook Page Maps 2. This single 12 by 12 kind of gave me the idea of the layout. I stretched it to a double, of course. And here's what I ended up with. This was very fun. Here we have a clear title, Enjoy Life, which is this wood element. And then we've got some wood butterflies in all three clusters here. We've got some fun rickrack. And then down here we've got this great tag that's loaded up with buttons and another butterfly. So let me show you this. This color combo was just fabulous. So that was my favorite layout until I got to the last one. And it's just stinking cute because it's got baby paper. What can I say? This Gonna Be a Grandma is so looking forward to working with a lot more baby paper. This one says, Welcome Baby here. And I used gold accents. I pulled out some scraps. I believe this is Glacier from Close to My Heart. I had some scraps in there that had some gold detailing on it. It would have been some of their specialty cardstock, so it just really helped to tie some of the gold elements together. Like this tag and my part of my title. And then over here on this side, we have this cool tag. And then I've just made a couple of long fishtail flags to kind of ground that. And then we got some of these cute, these stickers were originally, I guess they were die cut pieces, were originally white, and then I just used some Copic markers there to color them in, give them a little more presence. I just thought they really matched the whimsical feel of this paper line. Okay, at that point I just had the one piece of paper left, one of the florals, the smaller of the floral prints I had. So I'm putting that back in my 100 pattern paper pile. And then I will flash up a photo here of how I sorted out what embellishments were left. And I got those sorted into my color boxes in less than 10 minutes. So I've got a clean slate and I'm ready to go. As always, I appreciate your time and attention. Bye for a bit.